everyone. Gagajoy's cooking. I'm glad you're here today. We're having a heat wave. It's almost July. We've had sort of a cold spring, and now we're having a heat wave. So I think everybody's gardens around here is a little bit behind. So today we're going to do something that I think is southern. I've never known anyone up north or California that does it. It's called scalded lettuce. And we use just our fresh lettuce. It's spring lettuce, what we call spring lettuce around here. And I don't know if you could use another lettuce or not. My theory is, no, you probably couldn't. Although there's a big lettuce that looks a little bit like it. But you can see it's so fragile and so good. Growing up, this was my mother would make this, and it was one of our favorite things in the spring, where the lettuce and onions came in. I wash it real good, and then I put it between, there's a little speck, between my towels, let it dry. And you don't need very much to make it. You simply need a heat-proof bowl, your spring lettuce, your onions, I have strained onions this year because I think they're cold spell. Again, it's the spring onions, I think, that makes it good. Well, it's all good. And everybody, I'm sure, makes it different. Mine has never been as good as my mother's, and I don't know why, because I know I do the same things she did. But that's it. What her mother leaves is her legacy of stuff. A little bit of the green in it. And you wouldn't have to put onions in that, okay? A lot of people don't like onions. I don't know how you cannot like onions, but that's strange. I planted one kind of onion and got 3 kinds. Okay. Now, the next thing we do is very simple. Let me get my bacon going here. I cooked my bacon, and it's the grease that is the salad dressing. And I'm just going to let it heat up a little bit. And you make as much as you want to. I'm just going to make this for 2 people. But you can, I don't know if my mother ever made enough because there was never anything left over. One thing about this, you have to eat it when you make it. It's not a thing that you can take to a barbecue or anything like that. It has to be, because after the lettuce is wilted, it stays pretty much wilted. And you don't have to put bacon grease. You should just use bacon grease you already have if you want to. Just wait on that to get a little hotter. If there's something there. I don't have a very big garden this year. I just planted a few things in pots so that I don't have to get out in the yard in the heat this year. Okay. Now, add your little vinegar. Salt is going to be up to you because, you know, bacon has a lot of salt in it, although you're using lettuce and onions here, which does use salt. And so here goes our scalding. Oh, it smells so good. Get a spoon. See? It's real good. And then smell. We'll get something to put it in. Yeah, I can't wait to taste it. The first I've made this year. Let's try, see if we need the salt for one thing. You don't. That's so good. Anyway, I love it. Southern dish. Give it a try. And I think you'll love it too. And it is an Appalachia thing. But hey, take it to New York. Take care of yourself. Try to enjoy this if you can. Remember the joy, and I'll see you soon.